Welcome to the second day of CeMAT Asia 2021 online guided tours. Now we are at W5 Pavilion. It is morning, it is really full, and now we are at the booth of EP company, and here with me Dr. Zhu. Dr. Zhu, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing this?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing good, yeah. Exhibition is going really great. So I remember actually last year, if you remember, we interviewed your company, and last year there was a lot of new products, but what about new products of this year? Anything new that you brought to CeMAT Asia 2021?
Absolutely. We have a brand new product, and this is our product. It's called 50 meters, and this navigation technology is completely new. It's different from all other technology. What it does is that it uses vision technology to navigate to help us to navigate the pallet truck. And the advantage of this technology is that it's consistent with human experience, so it's easy to learn.
Okay.
So anyone can use this, and in addition, the cost is a lot lower than the laser-based technology. And so this product, we think, is going to revolutionize the material handling industry by letting everyone can use this product by themselves.
Okay, that's great. So maybe later on, I will try to use it as well.
You're very welcome to try
Thank
this.
you, yeah.
Anyone can use it, I guarantee you.
Oh, that's nice. So maybe stay tuned, and later I will try these products.
Yeah.
So what do you think? How could your new products of your company can help to develop industry, the whole industry?
The material handling industry, the cost per ton per meter has not gone down. The equipment has gone down, but the labor cost has gone up.
Yes.
So the total cost has not gone down. So what we're doing here is to attack the labor cost, to free the people from doing this boring work, and so they can do more meaningful work.
Yes.
And leave these moving the goods from one place to another. Let the machine do it.
I see. And obviously this kind of technology, your products are using new technologies, right?
Yes.
Like modern world technology, like 5G, artificial intellect, and maybe some data networks. So could you share about
Yes.
this?
What we're doing is that we collect the operation data of this vehicle and transmitted that to the cloud server, so that we can provide more data service to our customer. For example, the usage and the efficiency of this vehicle and the cost savings compared to human labor driving the vehicle. So these additional service can only be possible with network connections such as 5G.
Okay, yeah. So talking about service, what kind of additional service maybe, or what kind of service you provided to your customers?
Yeah, our we sell these products through distributors, and usually the distributor in the past, they only service the mechanical part or the electrical part. Now we want to train the distributor to do the intelligence, the control, so that they can provide more. Our customer can provide more service to the end customers, so they provide more value to end customers.
Okay. And during the last year's interview, your company said that you want to help more companies in the future. So comparing to past year, what kind of implementations did you do? And did you achieve your goals that you set last year?
Yeah, we think so, because we think that this product, that at this price point, is highly competitive with labor cost. Unlike many other AGVs that are they can do good work, but their cost is
high. Yeah.
And this is going to change this situation, and it's gonna be lower cost than the labor cost.
Okay.
And it can do more work. It works 24 hours a day. So it can do more work at a lower cost, and it's easy to use, and the technology is very robust. So I think when we say, machine is gonna replace labor in the future, but I think this product is going to do that.
We'll do that.
Will do that.
But what do you think? Like, yes, it's like the future world that like we are going to when robots will replace like human labor, right?
Yeah.
Like in not only like in intralogistics, but in every aspect probably of our life, right? But what do you think about like the mistakes? Probably this kind of machine will make less mistakes that people will do, or what do you think? They're more accurate.
A date in the future? I think in
Or maybe now,
2 years or
Uh-huh.
I mean, it will ramp up. It takes some time to educate the customer, but I think within 2 to 3 years, it's going to the market will be significantly different
Yeah.
from
What is
this
now,
year's
yeah,
and
yeah,
what is
yeah.
now. Right now, we are going to teach the vehicle to go from one point to another. So we select the origin. Then we select the destination. Okay, now we start to drive from origin to the destination. Okay, so we arrive at destination and then we click finish. So now we need to create now we set up the command to let the vehicle drive from origin to the destination. Okay. So now we issue the command. And this is it. Going from origin to the destination by a few clicks.
Okay, so thank you for your really great and interesting introduction. And it was Dr. Zhu from EP Company.
Thank you.
Thank you.